Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into SPY. We've got an even more detailed analysis for you, building on our initial report published on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Get ready to enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 4.57. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis and invested in SPY 62 days ago, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.58%. This translates to an average return of 0.22% per day since we listed it as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 11.64% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 9.81% to 12.70%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 17.52% change, with a potential return between 3.25% and 18.24%. This translates to a price range of $505.03 to $578.36 after a year. Our latest update on the SPY ETF brings exciting news. It has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 1, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 1.29%, moving from $482.91 to $489.16. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 1.12% fluctuation, reaching a low of $483.80 and a high of $489.22. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 2.66% increase over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by -42 million shares on the last day, with a total of 81 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $39.86 billion. It's important to note that when volume decreases as prices rise, it may indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for upcoming changes in the market. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached a high of $491.62 and a low of $380.65. Currently, the price is 0.5% or $2.46 below the 52-week high of $491.62, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. Today, we're going to discuss the signals for SPY, one of the popular ETFs in the stock market. The moving averages, both short-term and long-term, are indicating buy signals for SPY. This suggests a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is expected support at $487.87 and $476.74. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On the other hand, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it's crucial to keep a close eye on this ETF. We should consider some negative signals that have been issued as well, as they might influence the near short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.429% so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. On the positive side, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special way. Historically, such signals have often been followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands have generated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages had a buy signal 60 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a sell 13 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Let's start with the support level. SPY currently has support from accumulated volume at $482.91. This means that if the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. When it comes to risk, SPY tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Now, let's talk about the ETF's volatility. Yesterday, the ETF moved $5.42 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.12% of its value. Over the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.82%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is showing an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $490.89. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't already own any shares. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is experiencing a decline, SPY encounters its first support level at $482.91. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $472.89, which reflects a decrease of 3.33%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe the current level of the SPY ETF may present a buying opportunity in the short term. Several short-term signals and a positive trend support this conclusion. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. When we look at the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For the upcoming trading day on Friday, February 2nd, we predict that SPY will open down by $1.77 and start trading at $487.39. Before we begin, let's address an important disclaimer. Trading comes with a high risk of financial loss, so it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. What do you think of the current view of the stock? Share your thoughts by commenting below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.